Okay, hello, good day po sa inyong lahat. And today pong reading natin is para kay Taurus, no? Within 3 months. So ito po yung pag nakita niyo po ang video, start po ng counting, no? So ang pagpunta po rito is not an accident. Maybe dapat mo ring consider this reading for you, no? Ayan. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Spirit, to guide us on our reading. Only good energy comes to them. Ayan, welcome po sa Happy Angel Reading, mga cross-watcher din po. Thank you so much. At itong reading na po ito, no, liting ko para po kay Taurus within 3 months po, no? So, start nang makita nyo ang video ito, means na para sa inyo po ito. Ayan. So, titignan natin ang hamon sa'yo, which is ang challenge. At titignan din natin yung ano mo nak, no? Yung good news na paparating. At at titingin din tayo ng advice, no? Ayan. Okay, this is for Taurus po, no? Within 3 months, Taurus within 3 months. Start po when you see this video. This is a very important message coming from your spirit guide and mga advice din kay Taro. Okay, spirit guide. What is coming? Oh. Three of Swords. Kaya pala, no? May Three of Swords ka. Four of Cups. Ayan. Tell us more. Ten of Swords. You have the Ten of Swords here. Pasensya na po sa boses, no? Medyo naka-reverse siya, no? Ten of Swords. Let's clarify it. Tingnan natin ang Three of Swords mo. Five of Wands. Ayan, you have the Five of Wands. Four of Cups, let's clarify that. You have the Four of Pentacles. Well, you got the Eight of Wands, but it is reversed, no? So this is detailed. Titignan natin ang darating na tatlong buwan sa'yo, no? So, based on tarot, and we will also get some angel guidance and guidance din po kay Angel of Abundance na namamahala sa inyong career at finances. So, may nakikita na kaagad tayo dito na within 3 months, no? Ang kombinasyon nitong dalawa, medyo this showing na medyo very serious challenge na may kinalaman sa personal na parang agreement or disagreement or let's say na matinding pagkaano, no, pagka disappointment or matinding pagkabigo na nakikita natin dito. So ito ay madalas na this is also telling na baka this could be very hurtful. This could be also parang you might gonna feel a little bit loss and a big disappointment. Maari ito yung this will might gonna be give you uh, parang very heartful enlightenment that you need to face, no? Or sabihin natin ito ay magdudulot ng isang napakasakit na katotohanan, pero magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment, no, on your journey. And this will a little bit sad, no? Because that is life, eh, no? Hindi lahat masaya, hindi lahat ano, no? Kaya may taro tayo para mapaghandaan nyo, no? I could also see here na there's a little bit ano na parang not aligned, or sabihin natin conflict and disagreement nga because of this five of wands here, no? Yeah, argument is very prone within three months sa'yo. There's a lot of disagreement. It could be personal in your love life or on your work, no? And ito ay maaring sabihin natin talagang you're into a battle sa ibang tao, sa isang tao, let's say. But this could be tough. Parang this is your battle. Or let's say there's a na hindi pagkakaunawaan na nagdudulot ng stress sa'yo within ito sa darating na 3 months mo. So when it comes sa love mo, nakikita ko naman dito ay maaring may, yeah, there's a little bit situations on you na sabihin natin it could be also disagreement sa yung persons. At sabihin din natin there's a little bit pagtataksil, or sabihin natin there's a so maybe that is the painful part na sabihin natin there's a deceit on the relationship. But if you're single, this could also say na something from your past na nagdudulot pa rin ng sakit sa'yo. At ito yung humahad lang to opening up sa bagong pag-ibig, no? So, I could also see here when it comes sa iyong karera, no? Or let's say to your career. Um, hope that this, yeah, may nasabing ako kanina na may disagreement din sa trabaho. Or let's say, very high ang competition when it comes sa iyong career. Merong hindi pagkakasunduan sa kasamaan sa trabaho or maaring sa mga project na parang hindi napakaganda ang takbo. Parang it's very, ano, this scattered energies when it comes sa trabaho. Or let's say, parang you think, nararamdaman mo na kailangan mong ipaglaban ang iyong posisyon at that moment, or ang iyong idea, or ang iyong proyekto, no? Okay, so let's go sa iyong good news naman. Sa darating na 3 months, since na napakalinaw na you have the Four of Cups dito, ito ay very good news when it comes to the stability of your guard, no? Parang pagiging stability mo. But still, there's still you still have some worries, no? May nakita tayo yung Four of Cups. Ito yung pagtanggi sa oportunidad, no? The Four of Cups here. Ito, na pagtanggi sa parang miss opportunity. This show na you are very contented sa what you have, no? Sa stability. Sometimes we are not seeing the opportunity that is about to come to us, no? Or sa mga nag-aalok sa'yo, parang you're not willing to, to get that challenge. So, but anyway, this is a very good news because it was clarified by the Four of Pentacles here, no? At this is a warning. Parang sabihin natin, you are very just taking care of. Parang sabihin natin, because you're full of experience, kumbaga, you are naninindigan ka, no? At you are just taking care of it. That's why you are not getting that opportunity na paparating sa'yo. At hindi ka basta-basang tumatanggap ng mga alok, no? Which is good. So, when it comes to your security, very secured ka because of the Four of Pentacles dito. This shows na you have a very stable foundations, or sabihin natin when it comes sa pagtitipid, magaling ka sa budgeting, at you are very secured and you trust that, no? And this could also means na sa kabila ng challenge, ah, magkakaroon ka ng kakayahang panatilihin ang financial security mo at yung personal belief mo, no? Yung being strong at naninindigan. So, nakita naman natin pagdating sa pag-ibig, maaring nagiging mas maingat ka sa pagpili ng iyong kaka boyfriend, kaka girlfriend, o sa pagpili ng iyong partner, o mas pinahalagan mo ang security mo at ang katatagan ng isang relationship. So, kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship, ito ay panahon upang pagtibayin, no? Pagtibayin ang inyong samahan sa pamamagitan ng pagiging mas praktikal at masiguradong stability. And this could also telling na you're very contented when it comes sa love life mo. You are very contented to your love life. So parang there's a lot of offers na sabihin natin na or temptations na na dumarating sa iyo pero pinaglalabanan mo. You trust that relationship na so parang mas gusto mong mas paunlarin niya ang relationship niyong dalawa, no? Sa mga bago naman, sabihin natin sa single, nakikita natin parang it's not you are not prioritizing love right now. Pero yeah, because maybe until you healed some sa past issue mo. But nakikita natin you are more focused on your career, not to be stable financially. O parang sabihin natin, namimili ka rin ng tao na medyo may sinasabi. Namimili ka rin ng tao, Taurus, na parang sabihin natin na kaya kang buhayin, no? Sa mga single yan. So, when it comes sa career mo, this is very good news, no? Sa aspeto ng financial stability, yeah, there's a sometimes na hindi mo napapansin na meron ka na ring na ilang opportunity na dumarating sa iyo. Ito ay dahil sa you are choosing na mas paundarin ang kung anong meron ka. Kung na mas gusto mong payabangin, parang ayaw mo sayangin ang past energy mo. So ang gagawin mo, you will invent more, you will gonna flourish it, no? Which is very maganda 'yan. So may advice din tayo dito nakikita na kasi may 10 of swords ka rito at 8 of wands in reverse, no? Ito. So ito is very clear na telling you sa muling pagbangon mo or sabihin natin pagbangon mula sa kahirapan at pagharap sa mga challenge, especially when it comes sa communications, no, to be able to move forward. So parang ito yung recovery mo sa pagka-rock to bottom, no? Kasi the Ten of Swords in reverse, that is a good sign, no? Ito ay nangangahulugan ng pagtapos ng isang napakasakit na yugto or sabihin natin napakasakit na journey mo. Napagaling na at ibig sabihin umaahon ka na. It means na you are moving on. No? From the sa pinakamababang punto ng buhay mo, no? Because your rock at the bottom means ang kasunod lang niyan kaginhawahan, kasayahan, kaligayahan at pagiging stability. So this is hope, parang nakikita din natin you are full of hope na you are about to set free sa dating napakasakit na at you are trying to have some new beginning within you, no? So nakikita natin there's a lot of communications coming to you within 3 months. Lalo na there's mapapansin mo rin yung mga stagnant na proyekto, makaka-receive ka ng mga komunikasyon. no? Yung mga naantalang proyekto mo dati, parang nakikita mo is uusad within 3 months. So, when it comes naman sa love advice dito, you need to face yung nakaraan mo, no? To be able to have a new beginning. Kung meron kang dapat patawarin, patawarin mo. Kung dapat kang merong i-clear up things sa persons mo dati, you need to face that, no? Para sa yung panibagong buhay, or sabihin natin sa panibagong love na paparating sa iyo, kasi naka-stagnant lang sila, paparating na sila sa iyo eh. But anyway, always take care to all the issue regarding when communicating to someone, no? Especially sa karelasyon mo. So make sure na very klaro ka at very direct ka upang maiwasan yung hindi pagkakaunawaan, no? So when it comes to your career, it's very beautiful because of the two of ten of swords in reverse. Now you are awakening, or sabihin natin na muli kang bumabangon sa let's say na bankrupt ka dati, pero you are doing it right now to be able to to bring back on the path, no? Yes, there's some project na naantala, or sabihin natin mga changes na hindi mo makontrol or hindi mo kontrolado. So the advice is just have some patience, no? At make some step to be able to have that solutions to all the issue na paparating sa iyo, especially when it comes sa komunikasyon, upang maibalik ang momentum mo, no? So we've seen here the advice, more advice ang nakikita natin. So this coming 3 months, haharap ka sa ilang matinding personal na argumento at possible na pagkabigo. But anyway, meron kang likas na kakayahan na panatilihin ang iyong stability at security. So the key here is yung bumabangon ka mula sa anumang pagbagsak. So matututo kang mag-move on at magiging mas maingat ka sa mga bagong opportunity. So magkakaroon ka rin ng pasensya, lalo na kung may mga pagkaantala. At make sure na bigyan mo rin ng pansin ang pakikipagkomunikasyon mo, no? To be able to stay away for disagreement, especially when it comes to your career. At ito ay time na this is the time of your healing and building a new foundations, no, sa buhay mo. Parang yan ang nakikita natin, no? So let's ask some advice sa ating angel of abundance. For guide, this is for Taurus. Para kay Taurus. Yan. So make sure block out distractions ni no, at Taurus or cross watcher. Sabihin natin your life purpose and other priorities need your individual attentions. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distract you from what is important. So you already know what these distractions are, and you have the power and responsible to block them out. So sometimes maybe yung career mo need some attentions na yung ikaw na siya lang ang maging focus mo. So kung merong nagagambala sa iyo na kaibigan, medyo wag ka muna makipagkita. Kung sabihin na kasi nadidistract ka, or sabihin natin mga electronics, you might want to turn it off, no? Kasi these situations currently need a fully attentions, no? Para sa pagiging stable mo sa mga plano mo, no? Ayan. So, ayan, I hope na nagkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan sa maring mangyari sa iyo this coming 3 months. The moment you've seen this video, this message is for you, no? So kukuha pa tayo ng angel guidance para sa iyo. Okay, so nakita natin counselor. Parang if you might want to have some, advice, no, you could contact yung yung psychiatrist mo, or you could contact yung mga mga business advisor mo, no? And of course, much maganda if you gonna contact Archangel Azrael. Include Archangel Azrael through your prayers, no? And the message of here also na parang this is also telling na you have also the capability to give some advice to many people, na magiging benefit ka din sa kanila of all what experience you've have. Parang sinasabi rito, you could motivate other persons also, no? Kumbaga, meron ding mga taong nag-aas ng guidance sa'yo na diyan ka magaling, na parang they need to hear it from you. Parang nakikita natin you're a good counselor also, na you have the power to give, to motivate those who's feeling na parang mga taong nasa rock to bottom na parang inspire them through your experience, and do not hesitate to share what you've experienced, no? Ayan. Thank you so much, Taurus. I hope you like our reading. So, I wish you good health and God bless you. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell.